Well, the playground was old and tired in its look, and funding for a new one just wasn't in the book. The moms and dads knew the kids need a place to play, so they set to work and kept on going, and here they are today. The PAC came back the very next day. The PAC came back. You'd think it was a goner, but the PAC came back, and now it is Bill Day. Now these parents love their kids and community. They help each other out quite regularly. They gather all around and tell stories of the day. They solve their problems in a cooperative way. And the PAC came back the very next day. The PAC came back. You think he was a goner, but the PAC came back, and now it is Bill Day. Give me a big hooray! Now everyone contributes what they can. Their talents are always in demand. The children and the teachers are constantly amazed that the goals the PAC's achieve in the most creative ways. The PAC came back the very next day. The PAC came back. You think it was a goner, but the PAC came back. It just wouldn't stay away. And now the children can play. Everybody else can. The PAC came back the very next day. The PAC came back. You think it was a goner, but the PAC came back, and now the children play. Give me a big hooray, everybody. All right, boys and girls, we're starting to get cooking up here now, and I've got another song for you. Boys and girls, I'm going to do one more that you know the words to. Are you ready to do Take a Deep Breath?